You follow that scope all the way down. See that pipe right here? It's right below it. And the CP is right there. And it's that one. Well, Logan is replacing the batteries. We have a fuel leak off of one of the fuel lines right off the CP. It's way down in that valley. If you have a topside creeper, awesome. I'm standing on my Ranger because I'm little.
So am I.
So is he. There you go. And then ground anything out, okay? Because metal will do that. Okay.
What does ground mean?
Well, when you ground it out, you're going to get a lot of sparks. It's going to arc. You don't want to ground a positive and negative. This only has like 60,000 miles on it, but it looks like people have already been in there before. Somebody's worked on this vehicle.
Did they do a bad job?
No, I don't know what kind of job they did, but we'll see when we get in the valley. And he's back there on those 8mm. We cannot drop tools. You will never find them.
There you go.
Hmm?
I put the roll we just used back in the total.
Okay. So.
How's it looking right there?
Right there was the one leaking. This camera would stay on. Took out the coolant hose right there, blocked it off. Break that loose. Take off that 8mm on these three. It's the center hose. This assembly, or you could replace just the one, but it looks like just replacing the one is really challenging to get it all out. Oh, there we go. There we go. Jeez. Let's make sure that this
I'd say that is the right one.
It. All right, part number, get a close up of that. Okay, that goes underneath. All right, find a way it's gonna work for you to fish it through. All right.
Okay, Dad. This side's right on target. Ow. Yep. Do the same thing with this one?
No, not yet.
Let's see where you are.
Okay. And it's basically, you put it on there. Okay, turn it off. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! That was fuel. That was my bad. My bad. Don't do anything. Leave it alone. Fuel came pouring out. Come on, baby. Stay good to me. Okay. Turn it off. Turn it on. Okay, try to turn it on. Try to start it.